In recent years, a unique career path has emerged: vintage toy restoration. Enthusiasts are no longer just collectors. They've turned their passion into a thriving business, breathing new life into forgotten treasures. These restorers possess artistic skills, knowledge of various materials, and a keen understanding of toy history. They meticulously repair and refurbish old toys, making them not just functional, but also visually stunning. Beyond the craft, a vibrant community thrives online, sharing tips and celebrating successful restorations, further fueling interest in this artistic trade.